Hey everyone, welcome back to your daily market wrap. It's Thursday, May 28th, 2026. Let's break down what happened on Wall Street today. The mood was mixed, but honestly, it leaned more green than red. The S&P 500 climbed 0.5%, closing at 754.60. The Nasdaq led the charge, up 0.84% to 735.60. The Dow barely moved, though, inching up just 0.03% to 507.05. So tech carried the day. Let's talk about who drove it. Microsoft was the star of the session, surging 3.47% to close at $426.99. That is a massive move for a company that size. Amazon added 0.79%, finishing at $274. Nvidia climbed a similar amount, up 0.78% to $214.25. Apple posted a modest gain of 0.5%, landing at $312.51. And Tesla rounded out our Mag 7 movers, up 0.4% to $442.10. All five in the green today. You love to see that kind of broad tech strength. Now let's check on commodities. Gold had a solid session, rising 1.05% to $412.77. Silver did even better, gaining 1.27% to $68.36. Precious metals catching a bid today. Oil was the outlier, dipping slightly, down about 0.2%. WTI crude settled at 130.78. Crypto had a rougher day. Bitcoin pulled back 1.41%, trading around $73,410. Ethereum slid just over 1% to $2,375. A bit of a cooldown in the digital asset space after recent strength. Forex data was unavailable for today's session, so we'll keep an eye on currency moves heading into tomorrow. Now let's hit the headlines making waves. First up, talk about timing. Mark Zuckerberg's $300 million superyacht sailed through Seattle's Ballard Locks on the same day Meta announced 1,400 local job cuts. That contrast is getting a lot of attention online. In legal news, a Google information security engineer has been charged with insider trading. Prosecutors say he used confidential company information to make over $1 million on the prediction platform Polymarket. That is a wild story. And in the defense sector, Dell landed a massive $9.7 billion Pentagon software deal. That's billion with a B. Reports indicate the company has been strengthening its ties with the current administration. So what's the takeaway from today? Tech strength powered the Nasdaq higher. Precious metals are catching a bid. Crypto took a breather. And corporate headlines reminded us that this market never runs out of surprises. Watch for any follow-through on that Microsoft momentum heading into Friday. Keep an eye on whether gold continues its climb above 400. And with crypto pulling back, see if Bitcoin finds support around that 73,000 level. That's your market close for May 28th. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you right back here tomorrow.